Right, so welcome back to Makeup by Aaron X. So today I am going to be reviewing a makeup trolley box. Okay, so this is a Christmas present from my husband. Thank you, baby. Oh, pardon me. This is what happens when you're all hyped up. You burp on camera. And the funny thing is I'm not even editing it out. You're welcome. So, this trolley, yes, it's about 60 to 70 quid, I think. Obviously, it's Christmas, so I don't really know. I love this box. It has all my makeup in it, apart from, and this is all that's not in it, my powder. Now, this is because I have a nice little dab doob doob in there. You know, and I don't want that in my makeup case. Okay, so I'm going to angle you down and basically show you what is what, okay? It's a great box. It's got, what's that? 1, 2, 3. It's got 4 compartments. You've got your main box, which is your vanity case that you can take away. And then you got 2 other compartments, which you can just separate on your tables. And then you got your big, large compartment, which you could stick all your like large palettes in, or hairsprays and stuff like that if you're a hairdresser. Mine's got all my makeup palettes in the big bit. Second bit is, well, I'll show you because I've got labels on it. I had a label makeup for Christmas. My dad got me it, so thank you. Anyway, so I'm going to just angle you down and then you can see it, okay? Okay, so this is the makeup case. So as you can see, you've got your 4 compartments, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. This is one big vanity case, okay? And each box and compartment does lock. I've got keys in the other room in my medical tin. And then these 2 lock as well. So if I open the top compartment, so this is how I've got mine set up, because obviously makeup and all that, but you can have it set up a different way. I'm just going to hook you up to my... Okay, so obviously you've got your trays that pull out, both sides pull out, like so, and then you've got another compartment. This is a bit messy, but you know, it is quite deep. So there's the bottom of the thing, obviously. So yeah, this is what I put in mine. Obviously I might do an updated makeup collection tour sometime. The only thing about this box is you have to get this even, but apart from that, it's brilliant. You know, and then you just unclip your sides. Let's just hook that one back up. And then it comes off. Now, as far as I'm aware, this did not say what was in the box when you got it, you know? But why is that tipping so much? Love is the highway. So yeah, so this compartment here, this comes out, you see? But I'm not going to because I've got nails on and I might pull them off and that might hurt. It's a great box, don't get me wrong. Great for storage. Obviously, I've got my Christmas beauty blenders. Got a snow minion. Anyway, this is where I keep all my spares and face powders. And then this one unlatches too. Okay. It doesn't matter which order you have yours set up in. This is eyelashes, glitters, and nails and pigments and stuff like that. And then on the bottom, like that, I've just ripped my nail on. You have all my eyeshadows. Now, I have a lot of eyeshadows. I don't chuck any out, so there we go. Also, a good feature of this is this. You know, this is a trolley handle. And there are wheels and feet on the bottom of the box. So yeah, all in all, I think it's good. Okay, so now let me talk to you about it in a minute. Okay, so yeah, for value for money, I think it's brilliant, you know. It's very diverse. Like now when I do makeup videos, I just set all the box out and then it's easy cleanup. Pardon me. If I'm correct, you should be able to buy more boxes to build the kit up if you wanted to, but the handle would not go as far as that, okay? But yeah, I like the box. I think it is value for money. And if you want it, I will put a link in the description. If they got any in stock, I don't know. And yeah, there's not much else I can say about it. It is good quality. Instead of 180 quid, I think it was, you got that. So if it's so high, just keep it in your like wish list or something. And they'll tell you when, I'm out of breath. They'll tell you when it comes down in price, you know. But yeah, if you want it, I'll put a link in the description. Look at that lipstick's coming off. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching this review. It's just a quick one. I'm not going to go into too much detail. It's an aluminium case, so it's lightweight and it's easy to pull. Put enough makeup in it and yeah, it's heavy. You know, it's very sturdy. I don't dispute that. This ring light's less sturdier than that. Anyway. Yeah. But if you're like me and you're very OCD about it, you can put labels on the side, which is what I've done, and it looks really smart. And then it just sits next to the bed settee in this room until I need it. And then you just grab and go. How easy. The only thing I could do is another box for all my brushes, which are all over there. But there we go. That's neither here or there. That's my own fault. But there we go. Anyway, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I don't care. Anyway, yeah, I stole that from Betty Page. I've got nail glue stuck to my thing. Oh, she's pregnant, by the way. Congratulations, girl. I'll see you in the next video. I've lost concentration. This is why I don't film early in the mornings. I film on night time. Yeah, so give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you didn't, anyway, give it a subscribe if you're new here. I make new videos every week. And until next video, have fun, stay creative, and enjoy makeup because it all washes off. And do a G again and fill your eyes. Yes.